Hey folks, welcome back to the Backyard Railroader. Well, I haven't been doing much outside. It's still pretty miserable out, as you can imagine. I'll take a look around. Lots and lots of snow still. The train set's all buried. Everything's looking pretty miserable out here. But I have been working on the train set a bit, so what do you say we go back in the house and I'll show you what I've been up to. Okay, well, here's what I'm making. Wanted to give this guy a big shout out because he does excellent work. I'm 3D printing out one of his projects right now, so I'll give him a big shout out. I don't know if you can see that or not. I can't really pronounce it. It's German by the looks of it. But yeah, so what I'm doing is down here, there's a crossing gate. And this is what I'm making. And as you can see, there it is there. I've already 3D printed out most of these parts and done like a dry fit, and I gave him a prime job, and now I'm in the process, so I'm going to paint them. So I'll show you what I've done in the part of painting them. So let's go have a look. So here I've primed the pieces and given them a dry fit together to make sure everything lines up. And some of the pieces I've painted black with an actual truck bed coating instead of just black paint. I used the truck bed coating to act more like a road surface, to give it something like the asphalt texture. Here I'm spray painting some of the parts for the middle of the track, trying to give a base for a wood texture. Here I'm applying epoxy to the middle of the tiles so I can glue down the center pieces. Okay, and you can see here I'm putting bolts into the gates, making them hinged and putting them all together. In doing so, I put them in backwards a couple of times, so I had to take them back apart, put them back together, make sure everything's fitted properly. And here I'm painting the centerpieces, giving them more of a wood texture. I used a light brown as a base and then started adding darker browns and blacks to give myself a nice wood texture. Okay, well, let's get ready to paint. So what I'm going to paint here are the crossing signs. Going to finish painting the poles, get them all painted up black. I'm going to be using the same truck bed lining. I kind of like the effect and the texture that that stuff gave. So we'll get on with it. And here I'm using my hot glue gun to fill in the seams of the road bed, and I'll try to make them blend in better and paint them back up with some more of the truck bed liner. See if I can blend it all in, make it look nice. Okay, folks, and so after a bunch of painting and gluing and sanding, here's the final product. And that's my railroad crossing. Still like to do some weathering on it, but I think it turned out actually really nice. Got the street lights working. Now, I was going to put this out in my garden railway, but my wife, she seems to think that I should just keep it in the house and put it on display. Well, I don't know. Decisions. So Also have the hydro cabinet that goes there. So, I guess that's my video on my road crossing. So thanks for watching. Don't forget, like this video, subscribe if you can, and remember folks, talk about trains. We'll see you later. Thanks for watching.